So I removed my trunk liners from my LS460 and there is no video on how to put it back. So I'm gonna try and upload this. I think we put back the sides first and then this thing that is the back, ceiling, and bottom, I think. So I'm gonna try that. So I was able to put this left side. I forget you have to remove these little things so that you can put them right up here. I should have some stuff here. This one, please don't break it like I did. That goes in that little hole. This has to go around this thing. This is for the trunk. And I think this sits in here for now until I put the other stuff. It looks loose, so I hope I'm right. Yeah, there's something there. And then as everything fits in here, I think it's gonna tighten it up. Okay, both left and right sides are in. And one thing I remember from here is this ski axis hole. I remember I had to, when I was removing it, I had to open the door, and I think somehow some of the trim goes around over here, so I might have to push this under that black door as it goes in, and I remember it was kind of tight. Then here you have these clips. So I think they go right there. So they'll slide in there. So there's two clips, one right there, one right there. The black ones, they click in. And I think at the same time they click in, these things, there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They will click in right here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. This light will hang through here. You can put it back in later. And quite frankly, there's a hole here and a hole here. I don't remember there was anything covering what I think is the subwoofer, but I will figure that out. Okay, so it was just that. So pushed everything here. That pushed everything into that seam, and then it goes over here. You're gonna find, forgot about this actually, there's 3 things. So one that goes here, you would think there's one here, but no, nothing here. 2, 3, that black one right there. So they go over this, they cover this, and that's it. So this is that seam. See that? It has to be pushed over so it falls right in. And then over the top as well, I just haven't done the other side. So there's a seam right here, and I'm about to do it on this side. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. Just like that. Oh, there it is. I just pushed on that whole thing up there. There. There's gotta be something here. I gotta find out what it is. I'm not sure if it's just meant to be like that or what. So I'll find out. So I just found out these slide back. So slide both of these back, and then I'm gonna put all of these in here and then kind of click it back in forward. If not, you're gonna have to do a dance of trying to get those 2 in while these 4 are in. So if you have like 5 friends, that'll work, but I only have me. So that's that. I think what's next is checking all these little Velcro strips So for example, you see this one, it should have been on the other part as well as this one. So I gotta make sure I put that back, but it's full of dirt, so it's not gonna get stuck. So I might have to put like some glue on it. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Velcro strips. I don't see anything around here. What the heck is this? Okay, that might be it. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to show. This is, let me bring the light. This is the interior. I think these go in first, I think, and then the tire, well, these two, then I think the tire can go on, and then this thing can go on. I just don't remember when we put these things back. These are little hooks. There's 4 of them. I took them off. Oh, I was looking for this. This goes here. There you go. These are super easy. You just grab these 2 sides and they come out. Very convenient. These covers, there's 1, 2, 3. That's these covers right here. 1, 2, and 3. So there's 3 covers right there. And then there's these things, these little flaps that go on the, probably at the very end. Oh, and then I forgot about this. This is, oh gosh, how does this go? I think it goes in like this. I just don't know when it goes. Does it go in now? Probably. So it has, let's see, has a 1 thing right here that you gotta take out, and then these pop out. 1, 2, 3, 4, another thing you take out. It's not Velcro, it's just a little, it's like little things so they don't rub and make noise. So, you know, this car is all about comfort. So yeah, they go in this hole right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just need to figure out, does it go in now? Oh, and look at that, it goes under this thing. So where is this? I gotta find out. Okay, so yes, this goes first. Then these pieces go on after that. So these pieces sort of fall right there, and to take this one out, there's this thing that you have to take out, and it goes through that hole right there, so it goes in here. This thing I did not take out, but you can, and it's got 1, 2, and then 3 plastic thingies. So once you put this on, you put that over. You can see this goes under. This thing is just held by 1 Velcro at the bottom, and this ridge right here holds the rest of it together over this thing. Literally, it just falls right in. Look. You see? Nice. And it even lines up really nice here. Then you put this on. Mine's broken, so I'll fix it. But you can see that thing goes to the very end because it goes over this. And then here, the little hooks go in after. Kind of like at the very end. Take this 10mm bolt out, 10mm. Same thing on this side. This thing goes in at the very end. Put the plastic thing down here. 10mm bolt that holds this down right over here, but it's not going to be held down here. You just need the hook. Throw in the tire and Oh, there's the tire thingy. So you throw down the tire. What else do I have? That's other stuff. And that's other trim from other sides. That's battery trim. That's nothing inside. And then that's the carpet at the very end. You're not seeing it, but that's the carpet. Okay, you ready for these? These have a little cover, so the bolt is not gonna be shown. It's right under this. So take a little pick and just get right under this thing and just take it up. You know, bring it up here. Totally forgot about that. But yeah, they're quite simple. Come on. Why am I bothering? They have a side. Let me see. There it is. It falls right in. You see? Okay, and that actually holds everything together. See, very nice and sturdy. This goes down in, see? So you're gonna take a pick from there, and that's it. So that's that one and that one. I'll work on the others. They're pretty good. Just need one here. I need this one here. I need one in the center, right under the latch. And then another one right there. And then I'll take this one off right there. 1, 2. Okay, so before putting this thing on, put your jack with the little thingy that you use to go up and down. Over there, it's upside down, and it goes like this. It fits perfectly in there. And then, you see, I think this is where it goes. I really hope this is where it goes. Because if not, I mean, it is what it is. Because it really does close up pretty good right here. Like, this is pretty good. So, I think that's where it goes. And then I think, that's what it is. That's what this is. Let me see, does this go under here? Okay. And does this go, oh, it's upside down. So this is likely gonna go here. Sorry, let me see, I'm figuring this out. Oh, so this holds it down right here, I think. Yeah. Okay, so it doesn't move or rattle. See that? Man, you're good, bro. You're good. What the fuck is missing here?